Okay, your clue for the letter lock is using the clue coins only, please. You must figure out how many coins equals the amount shown for the rides. So hint, the answer is the coin that has the greatest value in all of all the US coins. So right here, the day you have been waiting for has finally come. You and your friends are going to the amusement park for a fun-filled day of rides, food, and shopping. Now all you need to do is count your money and make a budget to spend your cash. So, coins only, please. This price is made up of 6 coins. This price is made up of only 5 coins. This price is made up of 15 coins. This price is made up of 10 coins. So you have to write what coin each of these is made up of. It's all the same coin. That's your hint.